Ready to transform your game footage from amateur to pro with the Veo 3. First, let's dial in your settings. Open the Veo camera app and select your desired resolution. Euro 4K is ideal for sharpness. The 1080p is great for smaller file sizes. Aim for at least 30 frames per second for smooth motion, especially during fast-paced plays, and then select your camera's angle. Now, think about camera placement. A high central position gives you the best overall view of the field. Make sure the camera is stable and leveled to avoid shaky or distorted footage. Framing is crucial. Ensure the entire field of play is within the shot. Consider the rule of thirds to draw viewers' eyes to focal points within the game. After the game, head to the Veo Editor. Here, you can create highlight reels, tag key moments, and add drawings to emphasize strategies. Use the auto-tracking feature to follow the ball seamlessly. Enhance your video further by adjusting color balance and brightness. The stabilization feature is your best friend for smoothing out any minor camera shake. Finally, export your masterpiece in a high-quality format suitable for sharing on social media or with your team. With these steps, your Veo 3 videos will capture every thrilling moment with clarity and impact.